Welcome back to another live performance where I'm going to show Kaylee a brand new trick that she's never seen before, and then you're going to rate it and tell people whether you're entertained, whether it's creative, whether you're fooled, and maybe if there's a bonus point. So this is brand new.
Okay.
This is as always completely unpracticed. But do you know what these are?
Polo mints.
Do you know what this is?
Cable tie.
This should be a coffee stirrer.
Okay, a coffee stirrer.
It should be a coffee stirrer, but just because I don't have a coffee machine like that in my house. So I'm going to show you something which isn't very impressive. That is...
Packet of polo mints.
Oops. Hang on. Wait a minute. Oh god, they're falling out. So let me show the camera. I can put very impressively the cable tie through the... Let me get it. Watch closely though, okay?
Okay.
If I take this off, hold your hand out like a table, hold it up high so everyone can see.
Okay.
That wasn't very impressive, was it? Because they've got a hole.
No, they've got a hole in them, yeah.
But the weird part is, I'm ready to catch, how that steel bar, that brass bar, hold it up and show the camera.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's actually real.
Yeah, it's a real solid piece of brass. There's no holes in it, right?
Oh.
No slits in it. You feel the weight on it.
It's so heavy. Well, listen, against my ring, it's totally metal.
Pull those back in where they came from.
That is crazy. That's very crazy.
Is that good? Did you see that coming?
Not at all.
No?
I didn't know what was coming then.
It's good.
Oh my god, that's so good.
So this is, well, first of all, let's just dive straight into the marks. Marks, this is not my trick, so you can be as honest as you want. I won't get offended. Look at that. Look at that.
That's a solid piece of, like, lump of metal.
Let me see if I can focus on it. Yes. Look at that. It's brass.
It's so heavy as well.
Yeah.
Like, that's the thing.
So, and there's no way, obviously, I could have gone through the centre or...
Well, no. That's incredible.
Okay, so first of all, we do creativity, entertainment, and fooler, and then a bonus point. So,
yeah.
Really quickly, before trying to delve into it. Creativity.
Yeah, extremely creative. They're easy things to pick up in a shop, and you'd never even think of doing a trick with polo mints and a piece of blooming metal.
Yes, true. So 5.
So yeah, 100% 5.
All right.
Yeah.
Craig Squires, you mentioned 5 on creativity.
Well done.
Entertainment. No, I didn't practice it, so I could have made a bigger deal out of it, but...
No, I think it was 5. It was definitely entertaining.
Oh, 5!
Because it was fast and engaging.
Fooler?
Yeah, I'm sorry. How, excuse me, how am I meant to get anything through this? Like, it doesn't break or twist, or there's no lines, or there's no, and it's fully examinable. Like, you can't...
It's a solid lump of brass.
There's nothing that you can try and do with it.
Okay, bonus point. Does he get a bonus point?
I think so. They're everyday
It's the
items.
second trick with 4 marks that we've ever done.
They're everyday items. And
I mean,
this
is not an everyday
I know,
item.
but these are, and you don't
Yeah.
expect something like that to fall out of a packet of polo mints.
Look at that. Let me see if I can get the focus.
It's incredible as well. Like, it's heavy. It's a
that's
proper piece of metal.
All right then. So normally we talk about all those points in hand, but from all this, you've seen a lot of magic. You've seen a lot of card tricks. You've seen a lot of coin tricks.
Yeah.
Total restored cards.
Yeah.
A-cans. This is so left field.
I'm trying to.
Where did you think this was going to go?
I didn't have a clue. Honestly, I didn't.
The first time Craig showed me over video, because this, I've seen effects like this in the past, not with polos or tubes or anything. No, I think you can get them with like matchboxes, right, and stuff like that. He used a needle and red thread, and it looked and he put it through the side. And I was like, oh, it's just going between the polos. Then he put it through the middle. I was like, still going through the polos, and then he went boom.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, I just didn't see it coming.
The only thing that I thought could have happened was that when you pulled that out, there was no hole in the polo mints. That's where I thought it was going, but that is so much better.
It's crazy, isn't it?
There's just no way. And if there was a polo mint with no hole in it, you could probably work out maybe...
Yeah.
It's like a stabbing movement, or I don't know, a little gimmick or whatever. But this, how is that a gimmick?
No, it's just a piece of brass. Literally, I could like throw this as hard
Please
as I
don't,
want.
you'll probably break something. Love that trick. That's really good. I like it.
It's like a puzzle as well, in a way.
Yeah.
The only thing I was sad about was I didn't have a coffee stirrer, because I thought maybe you thought, because this is bendy, it's a cable tie, that it might have gone around it. But
Well, it can't have really.
no, because it was straight through the centre.
But it says just as wide. That is just as wide as that.
But you can use a coffee stirrer. I could have used like a long, thin needle to go through.
It was really effective with that. I think I know what you mean by the coffee stirrer. It doesn't bend as much.
Yeah.
So you
I
probably
did ask
get away
Kaylee
with
to pick up coffee stirrers when she
and
was
polo
out
mints, and I didn't do either. So.
So this is minted by Craig Squires, a good friend of mine. I think he's a genius, and he gets complete full marks from you. Then
full marks. I loved it. Love it. It's ingenious.
it is. It's completely
just,
genius.
It's just everyday things.
So you love it.
Yeah, I love it. It's everyday items, and you don't expect a big, massive brass.
Anyone
piece of
watching this, by
metal.
the way, if you are in America, I know Craig makes these with Lifesaver mints. So we use polos in the UK, but I know just for the sake of this, Craig uses Lifesaver mints in the US as well. So, but this is minted by Craig Squires. Another live piece of magic. Tune back next week to see more. We still haven't got a name for the channel.
I know.
So, someone said barnstorming, like brainstorming.
Oh, that's cool.
Kind of, could be good. Could be good.
Come up with some more. That'd be good.
Just an idea. Last week I revealed the effect to you on the video and blurred out the method so you could see if you thought it was a good method or not.
Yeah.
Should we do it again this week?
Yeah, totally. I really want to know.
Alright, I'm going to show you the method. You guys unfortunately are not going to see it, but you're going to see Kelly's reaction to it. So.
Okay. Oh shit, no.
That's the method. Hold it down. Hold it here. I'll blur it on.
The fuck?
That's the actual method, actually.
That is insane.
It's good, isn't it?
That's so good.
If you hold these here, I'll teach you how to do it. So show everyone at home, nice
So-
and clear.
Normal packet of polo mint.
You turn it all around.
Through the
see it's
middle.
Through the centre, you can show it all around.
Doo-doo-doo.
Okay, there's polos in there, right?
Yeah, yeah. I can get them out. Mm.
There's one.
Oh no.
There's two.
I'm so not good at this.
Okay, now have a look.
Okay.
Pull this out.
Okay. Look,
There goes
polo mitts. And, but, oh no, this is not coming out. I did it! Oh my god, I was so better than you as well.
That was honestly shit.
Sorry.
But you can do this effect now.
That's so
You can go
good.
perform
I
this
could
thing.
literally go out here and perform that.
Yeah.
Oh my
good.
god. I think I'm going to take that home to my mum and
Does
dad.
that make it better for you?
That made it even better.
Your
It's
dad would love that.
instantly
He's an
performable.
engineer. Yeah, yeah.
It's,
Straight out
I'm
the
not
box.
even a magician. And, like, card tricks, there's no way I could have performed them. I'd have to learn them. That, I don't have to learn anything. Oh my god, I love that.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah. I think that's my number one so far.
Ever that we've done.
Yeah, so far.
What was the other one that you loved?
I can't remember. This outshadows it
The
though.
blank card effect called Imagine.
Yes. Yeah, I love that.
That was good. But this is
But
better
it's
than that.
cards. This is completely different. It's an everyday item.
Yeah, it's really
I
good.
love the fact that someone could go, hey, I've got some polos in here. Hey, I've got a thing here. And it's so like impromptu. I love it. I'm going to go try that out.
You're gonna win you.
Yeah, I totally
Alright. Alright.
Hello. Want to see a trick?
Yeah.
With some polo mints
Alright.
and a cable tie. How impressive is this trick if I put a cable tie through the middle of some polo mints, knowing that there's a hole through the middle of polo mints?
Yeah, that's not even a trick.
Well, it totally is a trick.
Right, what's the trick?
Well, take that off me. I don't need that. Do you want a polish?
Yeah.
Okay, tip your hand.
Ooh, oh wow. Jeebus. You're a star.
I know.
You're a star.
I know.
It's a windy hair day. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'll be unboxing all the magic that I bought and picked up at Blackpool this year. Plus I'll be performing some of the best tricks that I found. And as always, I'll be back on Tuesdays for Tutorial Tuesday, live magic every Thursday, and then we're back on Sunday for the live Sunday session every week, so you don't want to miss it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're feeling extra generous, drop a like on this video for me. Peace!